I'm Arnaud Buisine. I'm a Director of Manufacturing and Industrial Edge for red+hat in Asia Pacific and Japan. If you don't know us, we are the world leader of enterprise open source software. We are a key innovative IT software provider, and we are leaders in the domain we are positioned. Great news, we are now committed to bringing the innovations of IT to the shop floor and to industrial automation. Well, I've been working in IT for 30 years, and originally I come from a double education with 2 degrees in IT, including AI, and a degree in industrial electronics. Since then, I have lived the transformation of some key industries, including defense, moving from a proprietary world to a world of open systems. And this is what I see happening right now in manufacturing operations and in industrial automation. So in that context, I'm now working closely with key players in the domain of manufacturing and industrial automation. And together, we bring the 2 facets of OT-IT convergence. These pure players, the OT part, and red+hat, the IT part. So in my view, to stay profitable and competitive, manufacturers, wherever they are from, whatever their domain is, but even more in semiconductors, which is a very competitive landscape, need to constantly improve their OE, their overall equipment efficiency, while improving at the same time their flexibility and the time to market of their updates and innovations in the shop floor. So if you let me take an example of how I see as a great role, so to improve this OE and DTM, factory leaders will change the game by leveraging the data the factory can collect in the production line or in the overall factory, and use this data to make smarter decisions, including decisions powered by AI. In the future, I'm very convinced that the market will be split between the manufacturers who take control of their data and those who stay with more traditional ways to operate their factories. So the nature of OT being to manage operation, the nature of IT being to manage data, this is the first value of the IT in the OT-IT convergence. During the last 20 years, IT, pushed by the explosion of internet and internet-based businesses, has gone through its own deep transformation. That transformation was carried by open source software and by the new development methodologies like agile methodologies. And this transformation was driven by the need to be the fastest to go to market while improving the uptime of the IT systems. And this is where we believe at red+hat that key IT innovations like the IT containers and IT automation, for example, have a structuring role in the improvement of the flexibility of the IT and OT systems in the factory, and the speed in delivering updates and innovation to these systems in the shop floor, while, and this is the most important, keeping the systems up. I mentioned AI, so we could talk about the arrival of AI in the production line and in the factory, but we could also talk about sustainability. And I have in mind a few mind-blowing initiatives to optimize the energy consumptions of IT systems, for example. I'm very excited about the workshops that Andreas, our Chief Architect for Manufacturing, is going to organize on the very first day of the event. It's going to be a very interactive time where all the attendees, so including red+hat ourselves, are going to learn a lot. And of course, I'm looking forward to the fantastic conversation we will have with the visitors of the event and with our industrial partners.